drum rolls. We're going to learn how to edit black screen on Premiere Pro today. So if you've seen my previous video, which I've listed here, if in case you've not, just go check it out. This video explains how to edit green screen on Premiere Pro. Now, if you try the same method to edit black screens on Premiere Pro, you would have realized that it doesn't work, right? Or you might have stumbled and got stuck. So this video is to help you on how to do that. Here I have two videos that I would like to show. This is the same video that I showed you last week of the beautiful river, right? And we have this black screen with like and subscribe animation that I want to put on top of that previous video. Now, if you've tried this, if you've not, I'll just show it to you. If you've tried Ultra Key on this black screen, it doesn't work. It doesn't work at all. So what can you do? There's something else. Go to effects, search for something called color key with a single L, of course. Drag and drop it onto the video and you'll have the eyedropper tool there. Just select black and that's it. Done. Your black screen is disappeared. All you need to do is resize, reposition your element. That's it. That's how you edit a black screen. It's that short, sweet and simple. Now, by the way, if you've not subscribed, please do subscribe, like and share, and do let me know in the comments below if you found this useful. And I'll see you in the next one.